Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So you must know about Midjourney. So today I will teach you how to make a Discord bot like Midjourney. Do not skip any part, otherwise your bot will not work properly. So let's start making bot. Before it, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe. So the first thing is to create a folder of yours. You can keep your name anything on your own wish. After that, right click on this folder and open in VS Code. Then you have to open your terminal. After that you have to go to this page. I have given link in description. And here you have to copy the URL by clicking on the code button. After that you have to use your VS Code and write it in your terminal, git clone and paste the link which you have copied, then enter. After that go to that folder and right click on the folder containing the ethical bot package and open it in VS Code. After that, you have to do some settings in this package, which I have told in this video. The link of this video is also in description, you can go and see from there. After that, you have to go to your Discord developer portal and log in with your account. After that you will see the button of the new application, click on it. After that you have to give the name of your Discord bot and after that click on create. So your bot will be created. After that you have to do some settings which I am doing, and this is very important, otherwise your bot will not work. After that, you have to come here and generate the invite link of your bot so that you can invite it to your server. And copy the link and paste it in the new tab and invite your bot to your server, then your bot will be added to your server. After that, you have to open your terminal and type node. Then it will give you some error. Then you have to install this module by running npm install discord.js. After that, if you come in the index.js file, then here you will see the prefix. From here you can set the prefix of your choice. Now quickly we create a test command and test whether our bot is working or not. So as you can see, our bot is working. So now we start making our AI image generation bot. So before starting, we see what we are going to make in this video, then we will write the code of two things. Alright, so our video will be in two parts. In first part we will see how we can create a / command which will generate an image by taking the prompt given by the user. And in the second part we will see how we can make more advanced so that we can also edit these images inside Discord which AI has generated for us. Now let's start writing our first code. First we define /command builder. So we could register new /command. And after that the name of the package we are going to use is apexify.js, so we have to define that too. So now let's see what is apexify.js. So this is an npm package that gives us 40+ models which we can use in our JavaScript project. It has image generation, chatgpt, and many more AI models which are absolutely free. So if you want to install it, then copy it and pasting it in the terminal and enter. After that you can use it. So now we start writing our code, and you also have to write the same as I am writing. And that's it. See how much small codes, and you can create your own image generation command for your Discord bot using this package, that too absolutely free. Let's try it now and see how it is working. See high quality images it has taken just a few seconds and given us. Let's try it now by giving another prompt. You can see that it is working very well. So now our first command is done. Now we see how we can create a prefix command which will give us 7+ features to edit the generated image. So you have to come to your index file and start writing code here. And here you have to enter the ID of the channel in which you want to generate images. Keep following me, as I am writing the code, you also have to write the same. And that's all we have to write. Now let's start the bot and test how it is working. You can see the quality of images it has given us by generating images, and here in the drop-down it has also given a lot of features, by using which we can edit our images and then download them. So that's all for today. Do not forget to subscribe and like, and if you want the source code of this video or any other video of mine, then you can visit our Patreon. You will get all the source code from there. The link is given in the description.